Hello student. So today I am going to start up the chapter application of derivatives, and second application is maxima and minima. Procedure for finding maxima and minima means maximum value and minimum value. Second derivative test. First condition is find f dash x. The derivative of f of x is the f dash x and f double dash x second derivative of f of x. And second condition is find the roots of the equation f dash x equal to 0. And third condition is if c is a root of this equation, find f double dash c. Okay. And first condition is if f double dash c is less than 0, then f has a maximum at x equal to c. And f of c is the maximum value. And second condition is if f double dash c greater than 0, then f has a minimum at x equal to c, and f of c is the minimum value. The second derivative test आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम आणि मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू काढण्यासाठी सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह टेस्ट आपल्याला सुरुवातीला घ्यावं लागेल. फाइंड एफ डॅश एक्स. एफ ऑफ एक्सची व्हॅल्यू दिल्यानंतर एफ डॅश एक्स काढा. त्यानंतर त्याचा सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घ्या एफ डबल डॅश एक्स. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतल्यानंतर फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन एफ डॅश एक्स इक्वल टू 0 घेऊन आपल्याला दोन रूट्स काढता येतील. दोन रूट काढल्यानंतर इफ सी इज अ रूट ऑफ धिस इक्वेशन फाइंड एफ डबल डॅश सी. त्यामध्ये इफ डबल डॅश सी पहिला रूट ठेवल्यानंतर येणारी व्हॅल्यू इज लेस दॅन 0 जर आली तर देन एफ हॅज अ मॅक्झिमम ॲट एक्स इक्वल टू सी. एफ डबल डॅश सी मध्ये एक्सची किंमत ठेवल्यानंतर ती येणारी व्हॅल्यू जर 0 पेक्षा लहान असेल तर येणारं फंक्शन हे कसं असेल मॅक्झिमम ॲट एक्स इक्वल टू सी. अँड एफ ऑफ सी इज द मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू. ती एक्स इक्वल टू जी व्हॅल्यू असेल ती एफ ऑफ एक्समध्ये ठेवल्यानंतर त्याची मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू निघेल. अँड सेकंड कंडिशन एफ डबल डॅश सी ग्रेटर दॅन जर 0 असेल देन एफ हॅज अ मिनिमम ॲट एक्स इक्वल टू सी. एफ ऑफ सी इज द मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू. ओके. We will discuss one example of maxima and minima. First example is examine the function f of x equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x for maxima and minima, means the value of maximum value and minimum value. Therefore, the given f of x solution is given f of x equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. This is the value of f of x equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of f of x is a f dash x. The derivative of f of x is a f dash x equal to the derivative of x cube. What is the derivative of x cube? Is a 3x square minus 9 into the derivative of x square is a 2x plus 24 into the derivative of x is a 1. Okay. Therefore, f dash x equal to 3x square minus 9 into 2x is a 18x plus 24 into 1 is a 24. This is the value of f dash x. The derivative of f of x is a f dash x equal to 3x square minus 18x plus 24. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. Again differentiate with respect to x. The derivative of f dash x is a f double dash x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. The derivative of f dash x is a f double dash x. Okay. The derivative of 3x square, 3 as it is, the derivative of x square is a 2 into x. The derivative of x square is a 2x minus 18 into the derivative of x is a 1 plus 24 is a constant term. This derivative is a 0. The derivative of f dash x is a f double dash x equal to 3 into the derivative of x square is a 2x minus 18 into the derivative of x is a 1 plus the derivative of 24 is a 0. Therefore, f double dash x equal to f double dash x equal to this multiplication is 3 into 2x is a 6x minus 18 into 1 is a minus 18 plus 0 is a minus 18 plus 0 minus 18. F double dash x is a 6x minus 18. Okay. And second condition, first condition is a f dash, find f dash x and f double dash x. Second condition is if f dash x equal to 0, therefore f dash x equal to 0. F dash x equal to 0, the equation of f dash x is a 3x square minus 18x plus 24 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. 3x square minus 18x plus 24 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. 3 is a common. X square 3 6 is 18x. 3 8 is 24. 3 into x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0 divided by 3. Transfer this 3 on right side, 0 divided by 3. Therefore, x square minus 6x plus 8 into 0 divided by 3 is 0. X square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, these roots are, therefore, x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. This factor is x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. X square minus multiplication is 8, addition is 6x minus 4x minus 2x, this addition is a minus 6x, and this multiplication minus 4 into minus 2 is a plus 8 equal to 0. There are two units. First unit is a x square minus 4x and second unit is a minus 2x plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, x is a similar x minus 4. This x and this x is a similar into x minus 4. Minus 2 is a common into x minus 4 equal to 0. 2 is a common into x as it is, 2 4s are 8. X minus 4 and x minus 4, two brackets are same, one bracket is a common, x minus 4 is a common and other is a x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 4 and x minus 2 equal to 0 means x minus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x equal to minus 4 is a plus 4. X equal to minus 4 is a plus 4 and x equal to minus 2. This minus 2 transpose on right side, minus 2 is a plus 2. X equal to 4 and x equal to 2. There are two roots of this quadratic equation, x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay, we check the second derivative test. Therefore, second derivative test, f double dash x equal to 6x minus 18. Firstly, we will check x equal to 4 on this equation. F double dash x equal to equation is a 6x minus 18. The value of x is a 4. X equal to 4. Therefore, f double dash 4, the value of x is a 4. F double dash 4 equal to 6 into the value of x is a 4 minus 18. 6 into 4 is a 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18. 24 minus 18, this subtraction is a 6. Therefore, f double dash 4 is a 6. 6 is a greater than 0. 6 is a greater than 0. Therefore, f has a minimum. F has a minimum at x equal to 4. Therefore, first condition is a second derivative test. F double dash c is greater than 0. Therefore, the function is a minimum at x equal to c. Means f has a minimum at x equal to 4. Okay. Therefore, minimum value equal to f of x equal to, the equation of f of x is a x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. The value of x is a 4. We will put x equal to 4 on this equation. F of x equal to, the value of x is a 4. 4 cube minus 9 into the value of x is a 4. 4 square plus 24 into the value of x is a 4. Therefore, f of 4 equal to 4 cube is a 64. 4 cube is a 64 minus 9 into 4 square is a 16 and 24 into 4, this product is a 96. Okay. Therefore, minimum value equal to 64 minus 9 into 16, 144 plus 96. This addition is a 64 plus 96. There are 64 is a positive, 96 is a positive. This addition is a 64 plus 96. This addition is 160 minus 144. 160 minus 144. This subtraction, 10 minus 4, 6. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is a 5. 6 minus 5 is a 1. And 1 minus 1 is a 0. The minimum value is a 16. Minimum value is a 16. Okay. We will check the second value of x equal to 2 on second derivative test. Okay. Therefore, f double dash x, this equation is a 6x minus 18. The value is x equal to 2. Therefore, f double dash 2, the value of x is a 2. F double dash 2 equal to 6 into the value of x is a 2. 6 into 2 minus 18. 6 into 2 is a 12. 12 minus 18. 12 minus 18. This is the 12 minus 18 is a minus 6. Minus 6 is less than 0. Minus 6 is less than 0. Therefore, function f has a maximum at x equal to 2. Therefore, function f has a maximum at x equal to 2. x equal to 2 ला function कसा आहे, maximum आहे. Okay. Function is a maximum at x equal to 2. Therefore, the maximum value of x equal to 2. Maximum value is f of x equal to is x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. The value of x is, we can check x equal to 2 on this equation. F of x equal to x cube minus 9x square plus 24x. Therefore, the value of x is a 2. X cube means 2 cube minus 9 into x square. 9 into the value of x is a 2 square plus 24 into the value of x is a 2. Therefore, 2 cube is a 8 minus 9 into 2 square is a 4 plus 24 into 2, this product is a 48. Therefore, 8 minus 9 into 4 is a minus 36 plus 48. This addition is 8 plus 48. This addition is a 56 minus 36. 56 minus 36. This subtraction is a 20. Therefore, maximum value equal to 20. Therefore, maximum value is a 20. Maximum value equal to 20 and minimum value equal to 16. Maximum value of this function is a 20 and minimum value is a 16. Okay.